Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from Fernie. We made 4 provinces, 1,200 kilometers, 2 time zones, and 1 dead skunk. All in a day yesterday. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, Fernie, BC. Absolutely beautiful out here. Bikes are still under cover. A little dewy this morning up in the mountains. But very, very beautiful morning. We're hoping to make it to Chilliwack today. A bit of an easier drive down Highway 3, a highway I know really well. Check out my videos for that one. The Crow's Nest. Yeah, looking forward to it. I don't know if that's breakfast. We'll have to see. Okay, lunchtime, and we are in Cranbrook. God, it's hard to keep it straight. We're in Cranbrook. We've got about 500 and something clicks to go till we get to Chilliwack tonight. And should be a lovely drive. We're doing the Highway 3 again. I just did that on my bike, so I know it pretty well. Crow's Nest, beautiful road. If you haven't done it, do it. Bikes are looking spectacular, if not a little bit dirty. Other than that, pretty good. We might wash them tonight. Oh, roadworks. 5,000 feet up though, it's very beautiful. I'm not sure, everyone seems to be getting out. Very kindly, she let the motorbikes go right to the front of the queue. And they're in front of that great big semi down there. So if you're on a motorbike, it's not so bad, I suppose. Even the motorcyclists are off though. Does he take his helmet off? If he does, we know he's been told we're here for a while. He's cleaning his visor. All right, beautiful up here in the mountains. Lots of people stacking up behind us. Bikes looking pretty. Good morning everybody from Chilliwack. Bikes are still covered up and safe. Just woken up. Long drive yesterday down the beautiful Highway 3. Just just before 7 in the morning this morning, and it's the last leg. It's been amazing to see Canada as I've never seen it before. Seen so many different animals. Saw a bear yesterday, saw some pronghorn antelope. Haven't managed to see any moose. But, well, that's okay, because if you see them on the road, it's usually very bad news. Yeah, so it's the last. I'm very excited. Lyle is still getting ready, and we will be off to go to the Guzzi dealer. I'm going to pick up some parts from them, air filters, fluids, and all that sort of stuff. I've never had to change the oil in the shaft drive before, but I'm going to do that when I get home today. My other half will see the bike for the first time. She sounds very excited. Going to pick me up at, or bring down my leathers and all that sort of stuff at Lyle's place, get some air in the tires, they seem a bit low, and then my first ride home. It'll be great, on the island. So yeah, we'll be catching a ferry later on. It's been so exciting to do this whole journey. Lyle has been so generous to do this, and couldn't have asked for a better person to be in the car with, and also to the organization he has, the logistics of getting across Canada. All of the stuff you have to do with the trailer, locking it at night, covering the bikes, all the thoughts he had about that, really well planned out. He's obviously done it before, and he has. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, and this almost ends the epic journey across Canada with my, by now you've realized, Moto Guzzi Griso. That was phenomenal. I really had a blast. What a great time, and a way to pick up a bike, sight unseen, and see Canada, and it's all worked out at this point in time really well. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. What's it like? Well, that would be telling, wouldn't it? But let me tell you this. It's like no bike I've ever ridden. Soulful doesn't come into it. I'm going to ride it now for a good hour, and I'll get back to you soon with my first impressions review of this wonderful Griso, the Moto Guzzi 1200 SE Griso. Yet another engine configuration in my arsenal, and I have to say, definitely one of my favorites. Is it all perfect? Are there warts? Of course there are, and I'll let you know what they are. I hope you enjoyed this epic, if not slightly surreal, adventure across Canada to pick up my latest acquisition, my new bike. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Give it a like and a thumbs up, and tell me what you think about the bike. Okay, cheers. See you next time.
Once again, thanks for watching, everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do motorcycle reviews, motorcycle related product reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Even though I'm not the most diligent poster, don't forget to follow me on social media. That's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified whenever I release a video. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.